Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word warren in depth. First, the definition. Warren means a network of interconnected rabbit burrows, or a densely populated area. Think of it simply as a complex maze of small tunnels or a tightly packed community. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Warren traces back to Old English and originally referred to an enclosed game park. Over time, it's been used by hunters and nature observers. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use warren in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. The rabbits quickly disappeared into the warren beneath the meadow. Correct example 2. The old city's narrow streets formed a warren of alleys and courtyards. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to warren my desk, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using warren correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Warren means a network of interconnected rabbit burrows or a densely populated area. It comes from Old English, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with warren down in the comments. Get creative, and if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.